exploring Commonwealth Day and the global love for butter chicken. Commonwealth Day and butter chicken. What do butter chicken, jerk chicken, and shepherd's pie all have in common? They're all tied to the Commonwealth of Nations. But wait, what exactly is Commonwealth Day, and how did it evolve from an imperial holiday into a global day of reflection and diplomacy? Today, we're diving deep into the history, culture, and symbolism of Commonwealth Day and making one of the most popular and widely loved dishes across the Commonwealth, butter chicken. So grab your spices and get ready, because this is going to be one flavorful journey. The history of Commonwealth Day. Let's take a quick trip back to 1902. This is when the holiday we now call Commonwealth Day was first celebrated, but back then, it was known as Empire Day, created to honor Queen Victoria's birthday on May 24th and reinforce unity across the British Empire. Fast forward to 1958, and things are changing. Many former colonies are gaining independence, and the British Empire evolves into the Commonwealth of Nations, a voluntary association of sovereign countries promoting democracy, peace, and cooperation. To reflect this shift, Empire Day is renamed Commonwealth Day, with a focus on shared values rather than colonial ties. The date is moved to the second Monday of March, making it easier for all 56 member nations, including Canada, India, Jamaica, Nigeria, and Australia, to participate without conflicting with local holidays. Cultural and symbolic significance. Now, here in Canada, Commonwealth Day is more of a symbolic observance than a public holiday. But its significance runs deep. Canada has strong ties to many Commonwealth nations, and this day serves as a reminder of our multicultural heritage and global partnerships. Every year, there's a Commonwealth Day observance at Westminster Abbey, attended by leaders from across the world, including Canada. The service includes Christian prayers, hymns, and interfaith messages that highlight justice, service, and human dignity, values shared across many religious and cultural traditions. And let's not forget about the Commonwealth flag, featuring a golden globe and 34 rays of light, symbolizing the unity and shared future of member states. The Union Jack is also flown alongside the Canadian flag at federal buildings as a nod to Canada's historical ties to Britain. The role of food. Why butter chicken? All right, now let's talk about something we all love, food. While there's no official dish for Commonwealth Day, one of the best ways to celebrate is through the flavors of different Commonwealth nations. And today we're making butter chicken, one of the most beloved dishes across Canada, the UK, and beyond.
Why?
Well, it originated in India, one of the largest Commonwealth nations. It became popular in the UK and other former British colonies. Canada has a huge Indian diaspora, making it a staple in Canadian cuisine. This dish is creamy, packed with spices, and absolutely delicious. So, let's get cooking. Butter chicken recipe and cooking instructions. Ingredients. For the chicken marinade: 1.5 pounds boneless chicken, breast or thighs. 1 cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon each garam masala, turmeric, cumin, chili powder, salt. For the butter chicken sauce: 2 tablespoons butter or ghee. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 2 teaspoons ground coriander. 1.5 cups tomato puree. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon sugar. Balances acidity. Fresh cilantro for garnish. The video explores the evolution of Commonwealth Day from its origins as Empire Day to a celebration of global unity, reflecting on cultural significance while emphasizing the love for butter chicken, a dish that symbolizes the diverse culinary heritage of Commonwealth nations. Marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. Overnight is best. Cook the chicken in a hot pan until browned. Set aside. Make the sauce by sautéing onions, garlic, ginger, and spices. Add the tomato puree. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir in the cream and add the cooked chicken back in. Simmer until rich and creamy. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve. Serve with basmati rice and naan. And there you have it, a delicious butter chicken to celebrate the diversity and unity of the Commonwealth. Now I want to hear from you. What dish would you make to celebrate Commonwealth Day? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into food history. And if you love what we do, consider joining my Patreon for exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.